So the regions will ask lots of different questions where they give you different pieces of information and want you to keep working with it in multi-part equations. So we got a multi-part questions where you got to do more than one thing. So we got to pay attention to this, make sure we're real careful with the picture. So it says determine and state the nearest tenth of a mile, the distance from the boathouse H to the island. So it wants to know this side here. So it wants to know that side. So I'm going to use this. I could also use possibly Pythagorean theorem if that came into play with one of these questions, but it doesn't look like it is here. So that's going to be my x. So that's also my hypotenuse. That's my opposite. That's my adjacent. So I'm going to be using cosine because I have the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So cosine of 54 equals 4.5 over x. I'm going to cross multiply because I know the side. So 0.587. Remember, I'm using all the decimals. That's why I put the dots down. So it's going to be 4.5 equals 0.587 x. .645. And it says nearest tenth, so that's 2.6 for that one. And then it says it wants from I to M. So now the second part wants this side here. I have a couple options. I can do a sine, cosine, tangent, or I could do Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to do a sine, cosine, tangent. I'm going to do tangent for the second one because I want this. I'm going to call that y, and I know this. So I'm going to use the tangent for my second problem. So I'm going to do tangent of 54 equals, that's opposite over adjacent, so y over 4.5. And then I'm going to cross multiply that. So 1.376. So 6.19 nearest tenth again is 6.2. And now I realize that I did the last one wrong. I didn't divide. So let's go back and fix that last one here. We're back to the calculator here. And I'm going to do 4.5 divided by cosine of 54 is up here. So it should be that number right there. I should have divided, not multiplied. So 7.655, which is 7.7. Sorry about that, but I fixed it before I saved the video.